Your dream of achieving financial success at a young age, becoming an unstoppable millionaire, and making your loved ones proud? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will delve into 5 indispensable skills that can power your way to a millionaire status in your 20s. So let's get started on this exciting journey. So the first skill that can make you a millionaire at your 20s is communication. Effective communication is cornerstone of the success in any field. Whether you are networking, negotiating deals, or leading a team, being an excellent communicator will set you apart. Effective communication can be the difference between achieving your dreams as a millionaire in your 20s or falling short of your aspirations. Let's explore the qualities of good communicator versus bad communicator, and then we will delve into powerful strategies for improving your communication skills. A good communicator is confident and persuasive. They possess the ability to express their ideas clearly and concisely, leaving their audience engaged and inspired. When a good communicator speaks, people listen, and opportunities open up for them. They can build a strong relationship, negotiate effectively, and lead with influence. On the other hand, a bad communicator often struggles to convey their thoughts coherently. They might use vague language, lack confidence, or fail to connect with their audience. As a result, they miss out on the opportunities, encounter misunderstandings, and struggle to gain support for their ideas. Now let's dive into O and P strategies to help you become a better communicator. O for observing. Assess your communication level. Start by observing your current communication style and identify areas for improvement. Pay attention to how you interact with others, whether in person or online. Notice your body language, tone of voice, and choice of words. Seek feedbacks from friends, family, or colleagues to gain insights into your strengths and weaknesses. For instance, record yourself giving a short presentation or having a conversation, and then analyze the recording to spot areas where you can improve. And P for practicing. Work on building your self-confidence, practice positive affirmations, visualize successful communication scenarios, and remember that everyone makes mistakes. It's a part of the learning process. Join clubs or workshops that focus on public speaking. Practice regularly in front of a supportive audience to refine your speaking skills. Skill number 2, time management. I'm sure you are heard of this. Time is money. Time management is a superpower that can significantly impact your life during your teenage year and beyond. As a teenager, you have a unique advantage: time. Learning effective time management early on can set you on fast track to achieve your millionaire dreams in your 20s. Time management is more than just a skill, it's a habit. Plan your day before it begins. Start each day with a clear plan of action. Create a to-do list outlining tasks, goals, and priorities. Allocate specific time slots for each activity. Keep in mind deadlines and commitments. Having a roadmap for your day ensures you stay on track and make the most of your time. Prioritize wisely. Not all the tasks hold the same level of importance. Learning to prioritize based on urgency and impact. Focus on high priority tasks that align with your long-term goals. Review your past day. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to review your accomplishments and challenges. Reflect on how you can manage your time and identify areas for improvement. This self-assessment will help you fine-tune your time management skills and boost your efficiency over time. Skill number 3, money management. Money management is a crucial skill that can determine your financial destiny. Let's explore 2 contrasting scenarios, one where a person neglects money management and has to do work their entire life, and another where someone wisely handles their finances and achieve financial freedom in their 30s. Imagine Alex, a carefree individual who doesn't pay much attention to money management. They spend lavishly, accommodates debts, and don't save for future. As a result, Alex has to work well into their late 60s to support their lifestyle and survive financially. Contrast Alex with Emily, who takes money management seriously. Emily budgets her expenses, saves, and invests wisely. By the time she reaches her 30s, Emily achieves financial freedom, having built a sustainable investment portfolio that generates passive income. Now, I will give you essential money management tips. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Categorize your spending and ensure that your expenses do not exceed your income. Budgeting ensures you to be mindful of where your money go and identify areas to cut back if needed. Save first, spend later. Make saving a priority. Set aside a portion of your income as soon as you receive it. Treating saving as a non-negotiable expense, just like paying bills, the habit of saving first will help you build a solid financial foundation. Investing. Put your money to work by investing wisely. Explore various investment options such as stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or starting a business. Investing can accelerate your journey to financial freedom by generating passive income. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence involves recognizing and managing both your own emotions and the emotions of others. It's about being in tune with your feelings and using that awareness to make thoughtful decisions and build meaningful connections with people around you. Developing emotional intelligence doesn't mean you won't experience pain or challenging emotions. Rather, it equips you with tools to handle those emotions in a constructive and resilient manner. So the tip here is to don't react but respond. One essential aspect of emotional intelligence is the ability to manage your immediate reactions in challenging situations. Rather than reacting to emotions like anger or fear, take a moment to pause and respond thoughtfully. Here's how to practice this. Pause. When faced with triggering situations, take a deep breath and pause before reacting. This brief moment allows you to gain control over your emotions and prevent impulsive actions or words. Analyze. Use this moment of pause to analyze the situation objectively. Try to understand the reasons behind your emotional response and consider the perspective of others involved. Find solutions. After gaining clarity, focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Emotionally intelligent individuals seek ways to resolve conflicts and move forward positively. Implement. Once you have determined the best course of action, implement it with confidence. Your thoughtful response will lead to better outcomes and reinforce your emotional intelligence. Skill number 5. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is a real and valuable skill that can lead you to discover your true passion and purpose in life. In a world where people often jump from one pursuit to another without understanding their deepest desire, cultivating self-awareness becomes even more crucial. Understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and values is crucial for personal growth and success. Reflect on your actions and decisions regularly. Seek feedback from mentors and peers to gain insights. Embrace continuous learning and adaptability. Focus on personal development to unlock your true potential. By honing these 5 essential skills: communication, time management, money management, emotional intelligence, and self-awareness, you can set yourself on path to become an unstoppable millionaire in your 20s. So start today and let the world witness your incredible journey to success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Together, let's achieve greatness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. I will see you in the next one.